Students, I'll continue with valency. Few more examples I'll give for valency, how to calculate the valency. Second example, oxygen atom. What is the valency of oxygen? What is symbol of oxygen? O. Atomic number is 8. Atomic number is equal to number of protons. So protons also 8. An atom is neutral, so number of protons is equal to number of electrons. So electrons also 8. These 8 electrons distribute in different shells, that is electronic configuration. So first shell, maximum capacity 2. How much left from 8? 6. So 6 electron will go to the second shell. And students, all the atoms try to attain how many electrons in their outermost shell? This is outermost shell for oxygen. All the atoms try to attain how many electrons in their outermost shell? 8 electrons. They want to become like nearest noble gas. So what oxygen will do for that? It can gain 2 electrons. So outermost how many? 8. So what will be the valency of oxygen? 2. How many electrons it is gaining to attain the electronic configuration of nearest noble gas? 2 electrons. So what is valency of oxygen? 2. Okay. So it will, and otherwise it can lose 6 electrons. Two options are there. It can lose 6 electrons. If it lose 6 electrons, outermost become 2, like helium. But which is easy? Gaining 2 electron or losing 6 electron? Gaining 2 electrons. So as it is gaining electron, write plus sign. How many electrons it is gaining? 2. So configuration will change to 2, 8. Protons remains the same. Nucleus no change. And electrons after gaining becomes 10. Which particle is more? Negatively charged particle. 2 more than positively charged particle. So it will change to O2 minus. Negative ion, oxide ion. Oxygen atom will change to oxide ion. So how many electrons it is gaining to attain the electronic configuration of nearest noble gas? 2 electrons. So what is valency of oxygen? 2. You will not write plus or minus. Charge will not show for valency. What is valency? 2. Okay, and what is the nearest noble gas for oxygen? Again neon. Atomic number 10 to 8. Atomic number equal to number of protons. Number of protons equal to number of electrons. So electron also 10. Distribute that in different shell. So 2, 8. So oxygen configuration was 2, 6. It gained 2 electron. It can gain 2 electron to attain the electronic configuration of its nearest noble gas. So the valency becomes 2. Okay. So an outermost shell is also called valence shell. So oxygen atom has 6 electrons in its valence shell. So it will gain 2 electrons to attain the electronic configuration of its nearest noble gas. So valency of oxygen is 2. Okay. Now next, one more example we'll discuss. One more example. Carbon. What is symbol of carbon? C. Atomic number is 6. This is all I students, symbol and atomic number, atomic mass I discussed in the last period. Atomic number is 6. Atomic number is equal to number of protons. So protons also 6. Atom is neutral. So number of protons is equal to number of electrons. So electrons also 6. Now do the electronic configuration, means distribute the electrons in different shells. So 6 electrons will distribute in different shell. First shell maximum capacity 2. How much left? 4. So you see here it is a unique configuration. Outermost it has 4 electrons. So to become, all the atoms try to attain 8 electrons in their outermost shell. They want to become like nearest to noble gas and they want to become unreactive like noble gases. So what carbon can do? It can gain 4 electrons. So outermost becomes 8, or it can lose 4 electrons, so outermost becomes 2 like nearest noble gas helium. But carbon, neither it can gain 4 electrons nor lose 4 electrons. So what it will do here? Carbon, it will share 4 electrons with 4 other atoms or 4 other carbon atoms or 4 other elements. It will share its electrons to attain the electronic configuration of its nearest noble gas. Like carbon, outermost how many? 4. It will share its 4 electrons with 4 hydrogen atoms. Hydrogen atomic number is 1, so proton also 1, electron also 1. I am showing this 1 electron of hydrogen by cross. And both the atoms will share their electrons. So carbon is sharing how many electrons? 1, 2, 3, 4 with 4 hydrogen atoms. And after sharing, the configuration becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for carbon. And for hydrogen, 1, 2 each, like helium it becomes. Okay, so carbon, outermost 4 electrons. So to attain the electronic configuration of nearest noble gas, means to attain 8 electron in its outermost shell, what carbon will do? It will share 4 electrons with other elements or with atoms of other carbon atoms. With other carbon atoms, it will share its 4 electrons. So what is valency of carbon? Valency of carbon is 4. So what is valency? The number of electrons an atom. 3 examples I took students. In first example, sodium, it loses its 1 electron to attain the electronic configuration of nearest noble gas. In second, I took example of oxygen. It gained 2 electron to attain the electronic configuration of nearest noble gas. And here third example, carbon, it is sharing its 4 electrons to attain the electronic configuration of nearest noble gas. So what is valency of carbon? 4, because it is sharing 4 electrons. So what is valency? Valency is the number of electrons an atom lose, gain or share. For what? To attain the electronic configuration of its nearest noble gas. That is valency. Okay.